Tencent shares jumped over 5% last week, recovering from 9-month lows, driven by new AI tool integrations that could boost your investment returns significantly. While Alibaba gained just 1.4%, Tencent's AI agent OpenClaw is rapidly gaining traction, pushing the company closer to capturing massive consumer traffic and revenue. Tencent's OpenClaw AI agent now integrates seamlessly across apps like WeChat and QQ, making AI tools more accessible and increasing daily user engagement across millions. This integration lowers barriers for AI adoption, pushing Tencent ahead in the AI race and setting the stage for a potential 50% stock price increase by mid-year. Tencent's earnings due Wednesday. Watch for AI-driven revenue growth that could directly impact your portfolio's value and reshape your investment strategy. Tencents in the Middle East are now impacting global markets, pushing oil prices up 8% since last week, directly increasing your gas and heating bills. Elon Musk's latest AI startup just announced a breakthrough that could challenge Tencent's OpenClaw, threatening to shift billions in market value this quarter. Watch how this rush for AI dominance is creating volatility in tech stocks, risking your retirement funds if you're heavily invested in this sector now. In Shanghai, Tencent's headquarters are buzzing with new AI projects, signaling aggressive moves to capture more consumer spending in China's $200 billion tech market. Meanwhile, Alibaba's CEO Daniel Zhang is doubling down on AI integration, aiming to boost their e-commerce revenue by $3 billion this year alone. Tencent's free OpenClaw setup sessions in Shenzhen drew hundreds, showing growing local demand for AI tools that could boost your tech spending soon. Goldman Sachs analysts highlight Tencent's advantage with WeChat and QQ, platforms reaching over 1 billion users, directly impacting your daily digital interactions. Tencent's headquarters in Shenzhen is the nerve center for these AI innovations, where your future app experiences are being designed and tested right now. Tencent's AI agent rollout lowers barriers for users, meaning more people will adopt AI tools that could change how you work and spend your money. BNP Paribas analyst William Packer expects Tencent's AI news flow to drive a 50% stock rise, potentially adding over $50 billion in market value that could impact your investments. Goldman Sachs analysts emphasize Tencent's unique edge with WeChat, QQ, and WeCom, making it the prime platform to capture AI-driven consumer traffic in China's fierce tech battle. Tencent's new AI tools require costly cloud hosting and AI models, meaning your favorite apps could soon increase subscription fees or introduce new in-app purchases to cover these expenses. BNP Paribas analyst William Packer sets a bullish price target of 825 Hong Kong dollars, signaling a potential 50% gain from Tencent's recent close, a rare opportunity for your portfolio. Tencent's Shenzhen headquarters is not just a tech hub, but a strategic nerve center where AI innovation is rapidly evolving to directly impact your digital life and spending habits. Expect Tencent's AI rollout to reshape messaging and desktop apps, increasing your exposure to AI-driven services and potentially your monthly bills starting this quarter. Tencent's Shenzhen headquarters is not just a tech hub, but a strategic nerve center where AI innovation is rapidly evolving to directly impact your digital life and spending habits. Expect Tencent's AI rollout to reshape messaging and desktop apps, increasing your exposure to AI-driven services and potentially your monthly bills starting this quarter. Tencent's Shenzhen headquarters is not just a tech hub, but a strategic nerve center where AI innovation is rapidly evolving to directly impact your digital life and spending habits. Expect Tencent's AI rollout to reshape messaging and desktop apps, increasing your exposure to AI-driven services and potentially your monthly bills starting this quarter. Tencent's Shenzhen headquarters is not just a tech hub, but a strategic nerve center where AI innovation is rapidly evolving to directly impact your digital life and spending habits. Expect Tencent's AI rollout to reshape messaging and desktop apps, increasing your exposure to AI-driven services and potentially your monthly bills starting this quarter. Tencent's Shenzhen headquarters is not just a tech hub, but a strategic nerve center where AI innovation is rapidly evolving to directly impact your digital life and spending habits. Expect Tencent's AI rollout to reshape messaging and desktop apps, increasing your exposure to AI-driven services and potentially your monthly bills starting this quarter. Tencent's Shenzhen headquarters is not just a tech hub, but a strategic nerve center where AI innovation is rapidly evolving to directly impact your digital life and spending habits. Where OpenClaw setup sessions attracted hundreds, is transforming into a hub for AI innovation and user engagement ahead of earnings. Jack Ma's Alibaba is pushing AI into everyday services like food delivery and navigation, aiming to capture consumer traffic beyond just tech enthusiasts. Tencent's AI tools demand cloud hosting that costs money, meaning your use of OpenClaw could impact Tencent's revenue and your future app experience. Morgan Stanley analysts highlight Tencent's strategy to leverage WeChat, QQ, and WeCom to push AI directly to millions, increasing your exposure to AI-driven services. Watch how Tencent's AI rollout could reshape your digital life from messaging to desktop tools, and why this wave demands your attention before earnings hit on Wednesday. Tencent's AI push now targets price-conscious Chinese consumers, boosting willingness to spend on AI tools despite security concerns. This means your tech investments could see a new growth wave. Tencent stock climbed over 5% last week after integrating OpenClaw AI across apps, recovering from 9-month lows. Your portfolio's exposure to Tencent just got a lot more interesting. Tencent's AI tools still require costly cloud hosting, which means higher operating expenses. This could pressure margins and affect the company's ability to scale profits quickly. Watch your gains closely. If this saved you even one bad financial decision, hit subscribe. Your future self will thank you. Drop a comment. What's your biggest money worry right